Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning about the 10 most commonly used conjunctions. Let's get started. And.
I.
I eat and drink.
Jedem I pijem.
But.
Ali.
I want to go, but I'm tired.
Želim da idem, ali sam umoran.
Or.
Ili.
Tea or coffee.
Čaj ili kafa.
Because.
Jer.
I stay because it's late.
Ostajem jer je kasno.
If.
Ako.
If it rains, I stay.
Ako pada kiša, ostajem.
When.
Kada.
Call me when you arrive.
Pozovi me kada stigneš.
While.
Dok.
I listen while I work.
Slušam dok radim.
Although.
Iako.
Although it's cold, I go out.
Iako je hladno, izlazim.
Until.
Dok.
Wait until I come back.
Sačekaj dok se ne vratim.
Since.
Od.
I've been here since 2026.
Ovde sam od 2026.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.